Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up what's essential. Create and verify a Google Publisher Center account, then claim your domain so you control indexing. Next, publish original, timely articles with clear bylines and timestamps because Google values verifiable sources. Once done, implement article structured data and fast mobile pages. This helps Google News read your content and display rich cards. Make sure canonical tags are correct and RSS feeds are active. You need reliable feeds for crawling and initial inclusion. Now optimize and monetize. Write clear headlines and compress the main facts into the first 2 paragraphs because Google News and readers decide fast. Then, drive repeat traffic by syndicating on social channels and sending regular newsletters. Consistency builds signals. Once you have steady views, implement monetization, place ads, offer paid subscriptions, or add affiliate links, balancing revenue with user experience. Monitor click-through rates and bounce rates, and adjust ad density so revenue grows without losing readership. Finish by scaling and analyzing. Use Google Search Console and Publisher Center reports to track impressions, clicks, and top stories. Then scale content by adding reporters, automating feeds, and diversifying formats like video. Make iterative improvements based on which topics drive revenue, reallocate resources accordingly. If traffic suddenly drops, troubleshoot. Check coverage reports, fix structured data errors, and look for manual actions. If needed, resubmit your sitemap and request reconsideration. One tip: keep an error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.